I'm going to re-waterproof my boots. When you get these boots and they're waterproof, the coating goes off or wears off, and you have to recoat the boots with some kind of sealer. I don't think these were waterproof in the beginning, but this is what I'm going to use and show you all this. Now, naturally, see there, I can put that on there. It's gonna soak in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the boot, and once it dry, I'm gonna apply 2 or 3 coats of this on here to get the boots back to waterproof. And see here how it just soaked in. I don't want that. So let's get to cleaning and I'll be right back. Reason I'm doing this is yesterday yesterday I was at the kerosene pump, and kerosene nozzle popped out of the can I was putting kerosene in. Got kerosene all over the place. And it was hard to get that smell out because it's soaked. I said, well, it's about time that I recoat these boots anyway. If they look kind of large, they are. They're a size and a half larger than I normally wear, but I just went in the store, got some boots, and measure them. So, I'll wear them anyway. Yeah. So the wicked boots that to be on. Boots. Soaking wet. I'm gonna let that dry. Get the back side also. Yeah. Let that dry. This is the part that get wet all the time, and I want to make sure that this is covered. This part don't get wet. Down here, I don't want any water penetration though. Okay, boots on the grill. Let that dry for an hour. This is going on the second coat. Just let that pretty dry. Shake it up again, and it's a sippy corn. Call me Michelangelo. I'm gonna let that dry another hour. Okay, I think it's dry enough. This is the third coat. Get all up in here. After this coat, I'm going to test it. After I let it dry. It's a lot. I'm gonna let that dry for an hour, and that is probably gonna be the last coat. It's 3. I'm quite sure that's gonna work. Okay, here are the boots. And if everything went according to what I'm thinking, this water should just roll off the boots. Great. Okay, that one is good. Let's try this one. That one's good. That one's good. All right. I think we're in high cotton. Might want to try this one just to see what's going on right there. But I think it's still gonna work. Yeah. Waterproof your boots. Thanks for watching.